Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, My Favorite Classroom. Today we are going to address the frequently asked questions of Capgemini Recruitment 2021, and it's for the engineering and MBA batches 2020 and 2021 and also 2019 batches. We are going to cover like no update after the interview results, and next what is the superset status, and no mail received after interview, and also no letter of intent issued, and also is my application accepted or not by the Capgemini community. And let's see each and every frequently asked questions, and I'm going to address each and everything and also answer your queries. Come on, let's go into the video and rock it up for today. And yes, while coming to a job recruitment, yes, there will be some curiosity, right? Whether I will be get selected or not, or my application is viewed by the company or not. For that, every questions I give a kind suggestion that never depend on a single company. You just give your presence for every interview, guys, so that anyone may click it up for you, right? So please never depend on a single company. I'm saying based on my experience, and come on, let's go in. This is the first query I get for that some people didn't receive their mails after their completion of 4 rounds. Okay, whether you maybe completed your rounds in 2nd of May, 28th of April, and 19th of April, like pseudocode, verbal gaming, and behavioral rounds. Why didn't I get the mail? There may be a question raised like so first let's go with 2021 and 2020 batches. Some 2020 batch students have been received their work style statement, guys, and also they have been received their letter of intent, and some have received and some have even completed their interview processes, right? They have received their mails immediately after the successful completion of 4 rounds, within a week of completion, and it's like 2020 batches have been in queue. Yeah, so next query I address for you is, does Capgemini send rejection mail? And obviously yes, guys. If the rejection mail is there in your inbox, you are totally out of the recruitment, and if it is not there, you are still on the recruitment, and you should wait for that, guys. Why? Because like Capgemini is a big company, right? They hire in batches, and also it is a bulk recruitment. They doesn't come here for hiring 10 or 15 people. They are going to hire n number of people, so they address people in batches and slots. So you should wait for your batch and you should wait for your slot. You may be in any number of slots, right? So just wait for your turn, and you are still on if the rejection mail is not in your inbox. And next, coming to 2020 batch students, they have some have received their work style statement, and also who are participating in the rounds, either 2021 batch or 2020 batch students, the status will be as applied in your superset, guys. You can check it up for it. And also some have received their letter of intent after completion of the interview. And next, coming on to the 2021 batch students, it's true that you should wait for the interview call. Yes. Why? Because they are hiring in batches. They are first completing the 2020 batch students, and they are addressing them for interviews. They are even calling them for interviews. And after the completion of the successful round, guys, I mentioned it here, and some interviews are in process. Some students have been slotted for the interview. So 2021 batch students, please wait for the interview call. It will be there on your inbox, so never worry. And next, coming to the superset status, what will be the superset status if the I have completed my successful completion of my interview? It will be like offered. If you complete the interview successfully and if you are selected, the status will change into offered. And next, you will be receiving your letter of intent. And also, what does that mean, offer cancelled? Some of the students may be like, my offer has been cancelled. It is why? Because when you submit the documents like for background verification, your SSLC, higher secondary, and also undergraduate, post graduations, or else your engineering graduations, if you doesn't match the criteria of the company, like 60% marks and also arrears, backlogs, if they find that you did some malpractices or something, like you bluffed something, okay, if the criteria doesn't match, the offer will be revoked by the company at any instance. You will be accepting the terms and conditions of the company, right? When you are applying for it, there they will be saying that It is a statement that if you do any malpractices or some criteria doesn't match you, we can revoke the offer at any time. You will be accepted for that, guys. So please make a note on it. And next, if the superset status is changed to accepted, it is that like you are being into the campus of Capgemini, because you have been successfully completed your document verification, you have been successfully completed your interview, letter of intent is being received, and every step of process is completed, and next you will be waiting for your joining dates and it will be like accepted. So 2020 batch students are on roll and they are on queue now. 2021 will be inserted into the queue now. And also, if you have completed your round at some dates and you doesn't receive the mail, right, you should wait, guys. To be honest, you should wait until your chance comes, and surely the chance will come if the rejection mail is not in your inbox. Please be prepared, and also prepare for other interviews, the job applications, and the job recruitment
And
videos.
yes guys, there are n number of videos which are lined up for publishing in our channel regarding aptitude and also concepts of CS and IT. You may like, share and subscribe our channel so that you may get regular updates on our videos. And also thank you for watching this video till this end. Until we see you in the next video, this is signing off.